Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Students, in this video we are discussing reciprocal cross. So not complete video, so somewhat video. So we will be discussing regarding reciprocal cross later. So gene interaction, gene interaction. So most of the information related to the gene interaction only is there. So in this video, now let us start one by one. Reciprocal cross. So reciprocal cross means, what is the meaning? No. So here once you see, or let me explain. So from the first, so two parents are used in two experiments in such a way that in one experiment A is used as a female parent and B is used as a male parent. Amma, point you understood? One more time. So when two parents are used in two experiments. Now rendu parents eduthe, so with the two parents now we are taking or we are doing two experiments. Okay, so with the two parents, when we will be doing of two experiments, no, in one experiment we will be taking. So in one experiment A we will be taking as male one, and in another experiment, no, A we will be taking as a female one. Means in one experiment. Okay, Amma, one more time you see. So two parents we are taking. So by taking of two parents, no, two experiments we are doing in such a way that in one experiment A is used as a female parent and B one here we are using as a male one. Okay, and in another experiment A will be used as a male one and B one here we are using as a female one. Amma, A one experiment nalli male amma, in another experiment A female avvalada. Okay, so such a set of so such kind of experiments or such kind of set of two experiments, so simply we will be taking as reciprocal. Now reciprocal means, what is the point? What is the point here we can understand, no? So suppose if you do such kind of information, so such kind of thing, no, definitely we can be taken as reciprocal. Okay, so next one here, what are the main important points? No, so characters which are controlled by the karyotype gene present on autosomes are not affected by reciprocal cross. So means here, what are the characters? Characters which are controlled by the karyotype present on the autosomes are not affected by reciprocal cross. So in this kind of reciprocal cross, now what are the characters are present in the genetic level? So karyogenes, no. So and autosomes means what are the characters mainly responsible for the vegetative or somatic characters regulate, no. So such kind of characters definitely will not be affected in a reciprocal cross. But in case of cytoplasmic inheritance and sex in case, results will change by the reciprocal cross. Simple amma. Ipo reciprocal cross nalli, suppose if a characters like in a karyotype gene present autosomes, means what are the characters are present in autosomes except like reproductive systems. So except in reproductive systems, no, remaining all so like cells, no, we will be taking as somatic or vegetative cells, no. So there definitely no problem will be there. autosomes, allosomes, I think so, we heard about it. Okay, so there no, because of the reciprocal cross there is no characters changes, or because of the reciprocal cross no, nothing will be changed. So that is only we are learning now. Characters which are controlled by karyogene present on autosomes are not affected by reciprocal cross. But in case of cytoplasmic inheritance, and one more is a sex linkage. If a sex linkage means definitely here, human beings point of view, if you take a male, XY, and if you take a female, XY, that we know very well, chromosomes. So here, cytoplasmic inheritance as well as a sex linkage, result will change by reciprocal cross. So simple only, here we can understand. So this particular reciprocal cross now I have taken. So now I have taken like this. So example easy only, no need to feel difficult. Once you see here in one experiment, no, now we took which one, what we took, capital T as a female, and a small t here we have taken as a male one. So here suppose if a dominant character, suppose if the dominant one is a female means, so definitely there capital T homozygous at all, no. So definitely here we can find out the all tall characters. If let us take capital T as a male one, and small t let us take it as female one. Ipo paathuko, difference is there now. Here capital T female, here the capital T male. Difference is there, means we changed, no. So now even that time also definitely we are observing all tall characters. So thereby here what is the point we are discussing in reciprocal cross? Suppose if you take if you change these kind of things means, so result will not be changed. Why? Because here the carrier genes, what are the genes which are present related to the carrier means nucleases or autosomes, no, definitely will not be affected in a reciprocal cross. But suppose in case of cytoplasmic inheritance and sex linkage means, at the time definitely, so result will change by reciprocal cross. Avladama easy da. Next one, what is that? Gene interaction. From here onwards, so koncham deep information only, but we discussed most of the information. Okay, now gene interaction is of two types. Gene interaction is of two types. So one is allelic interaction or intragenic interaction. One time gene interaction is of two types. So gene interaction is of two types. One is allelic interaction or intragenic interaction. Intra means within the gene. So means within the gene what we can find alleles only, no. So that's why allelic interaction or intragenic interaction. Next one, non-allelic interaction or intergenic interaction. Intergenic means between the genes. Intragenic means within the genes. So adu mattum try to understand pannikonga. So remaining points, each and every point, so definitely let us learn. Here now let us take the first side heading, allelic interaction or intragenic interaction. So what is allelic interaction or what is intragenic interaction? Now let us see one by one. Now in allelic interaction or intragenic interaction, so what are the points to be discussed means, allelic interaction takes place between, one more time you see there, allelic interaction takes place between the allele. Allelic interaction definitely takes place in the allele only, no. So no worry to learn this point. Next one, of what? So allelic interaction takes place between the allele of a same gene, so which are present at the same locus. Suppose if you see there, no, so interaction takes place between the alleles. Okay, so that kind of, and these alleles also present on the same gene. And what is a gene which is definitely our knowledge point of view we will be learning, no. So where the gene is present on the chromosome, no, that particular position of the gene we will be taking as locus. In first year studies we learned. So thereby now here what is the point we are learning, no? What is the point here we are learning, no? So here what is the point we are learning, no? So once you see the alleles, so the interaction takes place between the allele of same gene with the parent. which are present at the same locus. So thereby what is the point noma? One gene irukana, where the gene is present on the chromosome, that particular place we are calling as locus, and on the gene totally definitely two different contrasting alleles are present. Contrasting and opposite. Suppose if you take a monohybrid cross in F1 generation, we know capital T small t nalli pathumbodu hange capital T tall and small t dwarf, likewise we see no, but both tall or dwarf or whatever it is, both are comes under same character height da. So suppose if you take one character height no hange tall dwarf purida. So likewise here also definitely allelic interaction we can find out allelic interaction. So in this allelic interaction, so mainly, so here definitely what are the alleles are present on the same gene no, so on the same locus, so definitely we can see this kind of allelic interaction. So for example point of view, example of allelic interaction are as follows. Idi actually story madri seems to be new da, but NCERT textbook information no, so without starting directly, without giving off like incomplete dominance no, like somewhat extra information they have given. So incomplete dominance we have learned in our regular classes, but in a neat information point of view, incomplete dominance they have been included under allelic interaction or intragenic interaction. Okay. Now, what is the point? No, incomplete dominance point of view, according to Mendel's law. Suppose if you take a Mendel's law, no, law of dominance, dominant characters, last but second line. So once you see there, what is the point? No, according to Mendel's law of dominance, dominant characters must be present in the F1 generation. That's we know very well. Means suppose if you take parents as one parent as a dominant one and another parent as a recessive one. In case of Mendel's experiments. So monohybrid cross and dihybrid cross we see no. So there in case of monohybrid cross and dihybrid crosses point of view. So what are the main important points we learn there? What are the main important dominant characters are there? No, definitely those dominant characters are expressed in F1 generation we learn. But in incomplete dominance, what is some point mainly we are discussing? No, but in some organisms, but in some organisms, F1 generation is differ from the both parents. So means what is the point? But means sorry, Mendel's we see no in Mendel's law of dominance in F1 generation definitely dominant characters must be expressed. Likewise we see no sorry in F1 generation. So that will be in all cases will be same only as R means no. So that is only exceptional cases only we are discussing under incomplete dominance. Now what are the main important points? But in some organisms, I hope you are following. So, but in some organisms, F1 generation is differ from the both parents. So thereby here what is the point? When F1 generation is differ from the both parents, no, differ from the both parents means what is the point here we can understand? Suppose if you take dominant characters or recessive characters as parents, no, but those dominant characters and recessive characters will not be expressed in F1 generation. One more time, F1 generationally. So what are the parental characters are there? No, so such kind of characters will not be. So such kind of characters will not be expressed in F1 generation. So that is the point. Means, but in some organisms, F1 generation is differ from both parents. Differ from both parents means what is the point? Definitely both parental characters are not expressed in F1 generation. Now, both factors such as dominant and recessive are present. So, both factors such as dominant and recessive are present in incomplete dominance, but dominant factors are unable to express its characters completely. So thereby sir why sir Mendel experiments we seen there in F1 generation definitely we have seen the presence of any one of the parental characters, but here in incomplete dominance why sir parental characters are not expressing in F1 generation sir? What happens sir means once you see in incomplete dominance what is happening? Dominant factors are unable to express. Dominant factors we have written, no, dominant genes also we can write. Okay sir, what is the information we have written, that is only let us follow. So dominant factors are unable to express its characters completely. Appadana somewhat trying to express but unable to express these characters completely, resulting so intermediate type of generation is formed which is different from the both parents. So when like while explanation is going on, so we can discuss like this. So the fighting between both parental characters, so likewise, so means for our understanding point of view we can say, so the fighting between both parental characters, no new character has come. So likewise here also when dominant characters are unable to express, unable to express means even recessive character also showing impact on the dominant only, no. So try to understand, dominant characters are unable to express means, so on expressing of dominant characters, recessive characters impact will be there. So otherwise these dominant characters very easily they can express, no. But here what is the point? Dominant characters are unable to express its dominant characters completely. So resulting intermediate type of generation is formed. So intermediate one, the fighting between two person, no, third person how will be like benefited, no. So likewise here also between the fighting between the both parental characters, a new character emerged, new character has come. So that is the information which is different from the both parents. So 100% which is not similar with the both parents. So that particular point also now we have to remember. So some examples, sir, try to give any examples means, okay, you will not ask like that. Why? Because we have completed this one, incomplete dominance point of view. Now first one, flower color let us take. Flower color where in Mirabilis jalapa let us take. Flower color point of view, Mirabilis jalapa plant let us take to learn the information under incomplete dominance. Now incomplete dominance was first discovered by Correns. So which one incomplete dominance was first discovered by Correns. Adima over time Mendel experiments rediscovered by Correns, Tesmark, De Vries, likewise 3 members we discussed, no. Adida and the mother scientist here also Correns, he discovered the incomplete dominance. So this kind of information was discovered by Correns. So where in Mirabilis jalapa. So Mirabilis jalapana NSR means adi one plant that particular plant we will be calling by one more name, 4 o'clock plant. I think so this information also you know very well. Another name, Mirabilis jalapa, 4 o'clock plant, or one more name, I think so this one we don't know, that one is Gullibans. Another name, maximum not required, but it is there in our books, no. So that's why I'm giving to you. So once you listen and leave it, but mind don't leave. Okay, Gullibans. So there, what are some main important points are there? 3 different types of plants are found in Mirabilis on the basis of flower color. Simple on the basis of a flower color, Mirabilis of plants, no, our convenience to study, we divided into 3 different types. So what are those? So 3 types, number did I give? So different types just I have written. So what are those? No, red color plants, red flowers. So suppose if the plant produce red flower, no, this one type, white flowers and one more is pink flowers. So based on the flower color, there are 3 different types or different types of plants are there. So suppose if the plant produce red flowers, red plant, and plant produce white flowers, white plant, and if the plant produce pink flowers, pink plant. Simple. Next one, when plants with, this explanation easy that's one we know very well. When the plants with red flower is crossed with white flowers. When red flowers crossed. In this video maximum information theriyum, but we know very well. So but I cannot skip. Okay, suppose if any person would like to loan this information, so at the time at least those people will be benefited, no, that's why giving. So those who know very well, so just one time only, no, 30 minutes 30 minutes just to concentrate. Sorry, again, now let us see. When the plants, so with red flowers is crossed with white flowers, when the plants, so with the red flowers, no, now we are crossing with white flowers, white flowers. So now the plants with pink flowers are obtained in F1 generation. So actually here, as we discussed before, now the crossing is or crossing made between red flowers and one more is pink flowers. So even though we are doing the or cross between the red and the pink flowers, what happened here? Sorry, red and white flowers, here in F1 generation pink flowers we are observing. So thereby previously here we alone know, even though dominant factors are there, these dominant factors are unable to express completely. So likewise we see, no, so that is a phenomenon here we are observing. So even though we have done the cross between red flowers and white flowers, no, red flowers or white flowers are not expressed in F1 generation. So pink flowers we have observed in F1 generation. So reason, sir, what is the main important reason, sir? Means reason for this is that the genes of red color is incompletely dominant over the genes of white color. Means incompletely dominant. That is only, no, means when these dominant genes are going to dominate over the white genes or white color genes, no, white color genes are saying like that, you cannot dominate. Now Mendel not there, so another scientist is there, that's why we will not dominate you. Likewise, summa only, but for understanding point of view. So likewise, so what are the recessive characters or what are the recessive genes are there in F1 plant flowers? No? So even though these are all recessive one, definitely fighting over the red flowers. So thereby, so incompletely dominant. So means that's why what are the dominant characters are present in red flowers? No? So all these are all unable to showing the dominance over the red color. So try to understand, don't take in another way. So right, now incomplete dominant over the genes of white color. Next one, when F1 generation of one more time use here. When F1 generation of pink flower is self-pollinated. Now what we are doing, after completion of F1 generation, for getting of F2 generation, F1 into F1 self-pollination we will do, no. So that is only now we are planning. When F1 generation is, or F1 generation of pink flowers self-pollinated. Now let us start self-pollination. When self-pollinated, no, then the phenotypic ratio of F2 generation, so there in a phenotypic generation of F2, phenotypic means what are the characters we can observe outside, external characters, appearance of external characters or the morphological characters. Okay, so phenotypic ratio of F2 generation is red, pink and white. In F2 generation, again, what are the characters we could not see in F1 generation? So all those characters are expressed in F2 generation. Why? Because in F1 generation, pink we seen. But in F2 generation, along with pink, no, again both parental characters has come. So that's why in F2 generation, red flowers we are observing, pink flowers we are observing, and white flowers also we are observing. So thereby ratio respectively also let us see. So red flowers, out of 4 members, no, red flowers 1 is there, and pink flowers 2 are there, and white flowers 1 is there. That's why the ratio in incomplete dominance 1:2:1 ratio. Ratio is 1:2:1 ratio. And if ratio in place of normal monohybrid cross ratio 3:1 means, so actually if you take monohybrid cross, no, that one we have seen phenotypic ratio 3:1 and genotypic ratio 1:2:1 we seen. But here phenotypic ratio, what is the information we are observing? In monohybrid cross phenotypic ratio 3:1 we seen, but in incomplete dominance of phenotypic ratio we are observing as 1:2:1. கொஞ்சம் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அப்புறம் the ratio of a phenotypic One more time, the ratio of a phenotype and genotype of F2 generation in incomplete dominance is always the same. This is very, very important. So thereby, what is the point now we are understanding clearly? So what is the ratio we have seen in a phenotypes? No, even in a genotypes also same ratio only will be there in F2 generation. So thereby here, what is the point we can understand? No, in incomplete dominance. In incomplete dominance, the ratio of phenotypes and genotypes will be same. If phenotypes and genotypes will be same means, can you guess what is the ratio? Definitely in both the phenotypes and genotypes, the ratio is 1:2:1. You don't forget. So that's why actually here parents red and white flowers crossing with these two parents F1 generation pink one, and for obtaining of F2 generation F1 into F1 pink one at the time. No, again in F2 generation pink white red formation ratio 1:2:1. Likewise a table we have learned the easy table, the moreover it consumes the place here, that's why. So I didn't draw, but we know very well. Right. Because of we know very well, no? Because of that reason only I didn't draw. So we know very well. So I can say that one very confidently. Next one, flower color in Antirrhinum majus. So just species name not required. Antirrhinum podum. Okay, so same flower color, how we have seen a flower color in a Mirabilis jalapeno. So likewise in Antirrhinum also flower color only we are observing. Just here also what we are seeing means just incomplete dominance we are seeing. So there now why I have given this side heading means to give another name of Antirrhinum plant. So another name is snapdragon or dog flower. So snapdragon or dog flower. Yar name Antirrhinum majus. Another name is snapdragon or dog flower. Next one more feather color. Feather color of Andalusian fowls. Feather color of Andalusian fowls. So there here also feather color in Andalusian fowls also we can observe incomplete dominance. So there what they have done here is when black color fowl. So when they have crossed the black color fowl with or crossed with white color fowl, no. So what they have observed in F1 generation, they have observed blue color fowl. You see there actually in incomplete dominance, no. So parental characters should not be expressed, no. That's why in a feathery color of Andalusian fowls, no. Even though they took a black color parent and white color parent when they have taken, no. F1 generation, both parental characters are not expressed, no. That's why in F1 generation, what is the color of a fowl we are observing? Blue color. Amma purida, avalada. So easy explanation only, my dear students. Once just you revise, so thereby suppose it helps to you in public examinations as well as NEET examinations also. Okay, now feathery color in Andalusian fowls we seen, and flower color where in Antirrhinum plant we seen another name, so snapdragon and dog flowers. So in incomplete dominance, main important points, phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio definitely will be same. Will be same means 1:2:1 ratio. Next one, Mirabilis jalapa plant, also known as 4 o'clock plant, or one more name, Gulli Barnes. So here, what is the main concept of incomplete dominance? So even though we are taking both parents as, even though we are taking parents, so ange parents analli one dominant irikku, one recessive irikku. Actually, Mendel's information madri in incomplete dominance, no dominant characters express agadu. Why? Because of the incomplete dominance. So this particular dominant characters will not be expressed here. So next one here, before here, what are the main important points we have seen? Reciprocal cross we seen here. So in a reciprocal cross nalli, what are the points? No, 2 experiments we have done. No, so ange in 2 experiments nalli. So in 2 experiments nalli, what we have taken? No, yes. So A1 we have taken now in 1 experiment, no female, and in another experiment, no same capital T only we have taken as a male one. So means even though here we are like changing, So suppose if you change means that particular changes only we will be taking as reciprocal crosses. These reciprocal crosses will not be causes any kind of changes in karyogenes present on the autosomes. But same reciprocal cross, suppose chance is there to change the result. So where and where in a cytoplasmic inheritance, and one more is in a sex linkage. So this is a small information, so I can give in this video. So definitely, so continuation in the next video I will give you. Take care and be safe at home.